Ever wondered why your form's save button stays disabled even though you typed something? It's all about the dirty state. In Angular, every form control has a dirty state that tells you whether the user has changed its value. When a form control is first created, it starts in the pristine state, meaning it's untouched and unchanged. The moment a user modifies the value, even by a single character, the control becomes dirty. Think of pristine as the original, clean state, and dirty as modified from that original. Checking the dirty state is straightforward. Every form control has a dirty property you can access. For reactive forms, you can check myControl.dirty. For template-driven forms, use the form control name with a template reference variable. You can also check if a control is pristine, which is the opposite of dirty. So why does this matter? The dirty state is incredibly useful for real-world scenarios. You can enable or disable save buttons based on whether anything changed. You can show unsaved changes warnings when users try to navigate away. And you can trigger validation only on fields that have been modified, improving the user experience by not showing errors prematurely. Here's a common gotcha. Dirty is not the same as touched. Dirty means the value changed, while touched means the field was focused and then blurred. A field can be touched without being dirty if the user clicked in and out without changing anything. And a field can be dirty without being touched if you programmatically set its value. Remember, the dirty state tracks value changes from the initial state, helping you build smart, reactive forms. Master this, and you'll handle form validation like a pro. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.